We'll all have a moment where we're faced with a decision to make if we want to risk everything and to jump and to live fully. And once we do, that journey and that spiral will actually teach us more about ourselves than we would have ever known if we'd played it safe. As women, when we take on all these roles and all these responsibilities, we lose sight of what makes us uniquely us. The last few years, I just began to question, is this the rest of my life? There was this underlining angst that just kept asking, is there something more? Often it feels indulgent to say, why am I here? Does my life matter? Does my life have meaning? But it's actually just giving worthiness to the creation that God gave all of us. We look in the mirror and we wonder, have we missed this? Do we have calling in our own lives? Will we find it? Is it really there? But we'll never know. We'll never really see the fullness of what God intended if we stay safe. Because we all need a free fall to teach us how to fly.